Today I discuss the question and answer of chapter 3. Question number D. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. A. The materials which occur naturally are called natural materials like water, air, etc. B. The materials which allow light to pass through them are called transparent, as a glass and pure water, etc. Question number 2. Glass. Question number 2. 1. Glass, pure water, air. 2. Thick plastic sheet, wood, steel. Question number 3. Gaseous state of matter can easily change its shape and volume because the particles are very little hold on each other and can move far apart from each other. Number 2. Solid state of matter cannot easily change its shape and volume because the particles are very tightly packed with each other and cannot move. Number 4. The materials diffuse into each other due to free movement of the particles. Number 5. The maximum amount of a substance that can be dissolved in a given volume of water is called solubility. On increasing the temperature, the solubility of a substance generally increases. But in gas, the solubility is decreases with increase the temperature. Number 6. 1. Sugar, salt, milk. Number 2. Sand, wood, and pebbles. Number E. Question. Answer the following question. Number 1. Solid have a fixed shape and a definite volume because the particles are very tightly packed with each other and cannot move. Number 2. To show that pure water is transparent liquid, take a glass tumbler filled with water, hold it against light and look through it. We can see the light on the other side of the tumbler. This shows that pure water is a transparent liquid. Number 2. 3. To show that a solid can diffuse slowly into a liquid. Take some clean water in a gas jar and place it on a table. Drop a few crystals of potassium permanganate in water. After some time we will see that pink color spreads slowly in water. This shows diffusion of solid slowly in water. Number 4. A solution which cannot dissolve more amount of given substance at a given temperature is called saturated solution. For the preparation of a saturated solution of common salt in water, we take a glass tumbler, half filled water, add half teaspoon of salt in it and stir well. The salt dissolves. Now add another half teaspoon of salt and stir. This will also dissolve. Do this practice again and again After adding a particular amount of salt, we will observe that salt is no more dissolving in the given volume of water. This means maximum amount of salt has been dissolved in a given volume of water. Simply तुम इसको घर में भी कर सकते हो। क्या करना है, एक शीशे का ग्लास ले लो, सॉल्ट डालो, हाफ वाटर उसको भर दो, उसमें सॉल्ट या शुगर थोड़ा सा डालो, फिर उसको मिलाओ। ये क्रम बार 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 करते रहोगे तो एक समय ऐसा आएगा जब सॉल्ट या शुगर उसमें डिजॉल्व नहीं होगा, नहीं घुलेगा। देखोगे कि थोड़ा सा बचा रह गया है ना, और जब बचा रह गया, दिस इज कॉल्ड सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन। अब इफ़ यू हीट देम, अब अगर उसको थोड़ा सा गर्म कर दो तो देखोगे कि वो जो बचा हुआ शुगर या सॉल्ट था वो फिर से घुल गया, एंड मोर शुगर एंड सॉल्ट डिजॉल्व इन इट। ठीक है, तो और क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 को तुम लोग खुद से बनाओगे। ठीक है, थैंक यू। फिर नेक्स्ट